y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. If you enjoy subscription box unboxings and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And y'all, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on that will be linked down below in the description box. It does end on the 26th, so you do still have time to enter. So as you can see, today we have a new subscription on our channel, and that is the boxdog, what I have here. And it's actually a really big box, but I didn't want to show you my address. So they reached out, they asked if I would want to share their fall box, and of course, absolutely. So dog box, actually you can get it seasonally or monthly. So if you do it monthly, it is $34.99 a month, and you get to, this is the one thing about this box that I was like, what? That is awesome. You get to select what is in these boxes. That's fantastic. So you choose 4 items, including treats, toys, clothing, or skincare each month. There are new items every month to choose from. So monthly is $34.99 with a value of at least $89. You can do the giant quarterly box dog, and this is going to be 4 types of handmade treats and 1 vegan skincare item, and then you get to choose the toys, clothing, and the gear. It's great for large dogs and tough chewers, and it is valued over $125. It is $39.99 a quarter or a season. And then the annual plan, if you want to go ahead and pay in advance for 4 quarterly boxes, you can get that for only $159.96. So right now they are running a special where you get a free $40 gift when you sign up. You can choose either it's an indoor-outdoor cooling mat, a cookie gift set, or a free dog park backpack. So I will put a link down below in the description if you'd like to check out the dog box or box dog. But let's get in here. We're gonna see, I selected items. These are for Oscar. So it's still kind of weird to not say Oscar and Otis, but this box is gonna be for Oscar. So he needs a little pick-me-up right now too. He misses his buddy. So let's get this open and take a look. And one thing I do love too, and it says it here on the box, it's always a 100% handmade dog treats. So when we open it, it's literally like, you know, a FabFitFun for dogs. So using the tissue paper there, and under it are all the goodies. Select 3 items for Oscar, and then there's the treats and stuff that come with it. So we have here, which I'm actually glad to have this. We have some oatmeal dog shampoo right there. And then here we have 3 different kinds of treats. This is from the Boxdog Bakery. I think the presentation is so adorable. So we have some tiny cranberry and pumpkin bites, some cheese bones, and some soft pumpkin bites. So they are definitely on theme with fall. And then we also have here, and oh my goodness, these are Oreos. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it literally looks like Oreos. That is so cute. He will love those. All right, so the items that I selected for Oscar, because he loves his toys, and the theme, it's obviously the fall box, and the treats definitely are on theme for fall, but right now they're kind of going with dinosaurs. So Oscar got, and I do like that these are, even though they're small, these are tough toys. Because Oscar might be small, but he is mighty, y'all. He will tear a toy up and try and get the squeaker out. But here we have a rhinoceros. So, and again, they are tough. This says mighty, multiple layers, no hard edges. soft yet mighty strong. Rethink durability. So there is that one. And then if you have a dinosaur toy collection, there's one that you kind of have to have, right? And that's the T-Rex. So he got a T-Rex, again, same company, the Mighty. So they do, let's see, is there a squeaker? Is there a squeaker? I found it. I think I found it. Yes, there's the squeaker. And I'm sure there's one in here. Yep. So we have our 2 dinosaur squeakers. We have our treats, we have the shampoo, and we have one final item. And this I was able to also select and give sizing on. And this, you guys, is an adorable little jacket. It might be a little big for Oscar. I wasn't sure what their sizing was, but it's a little green army jacket, and it does say boxdog there on it. But I think that is so cute. So we got 2 high quality toys, an array of, you know, handmade natural treats, the oatmeal shampoo, and the little coat. It's $39.99. You can't beat it. And like I said, right now, when you sign up, you get a free $40 gift. So basically, you're doubling your money. So I will put the link down below if you want to check out boxdog. I think, I know that Oscar is going to love the toys, the treats. I love that they included oatmeal shampoo because it is very soothing for animals, for dogs. So yeah, he's gonna love the toys and everything. I'm so excited. I think it's great. I like that they give the monthly option or the quarterly option. So let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you plan on spoiling your fur baby. And yeah, I want to say thank you so much to our channel members. Your support does mean so much to me. And even if you're not a channel member, just being here and watching the video means more than you know. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. So again, I hope you're having a great weekend. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.